Episode 11: Possible reasons for successful binding but failure to arm. 1. In the Betaflight configurator, check whether the flight controller's receiver port settings and receiver protocol are set to the factory defaults. The default receiver port is UART2, and the receiver protocol is CRSF. 2. Conflicting mode settings leading to arm failure. Verify the mode settings on Betaflight configurator. 3. Verify if the motor options are set to bidirectional D-shot and if the ESC supports bidirectional D-shot on Betaflight configurator. The aircraft's default setting for this feature is enabled. 4. Make sure the receiver channel presets match those of the transmitter. 5. Aircraft may be unable to arm at tilted angles. Check the maximum arm angle setup on the Betaflight configuration page. 6. When the aircraft cannot be armed, the first step is to check the disarm flags on the Betaflight settings page to identify the reason for the arm. Then, make the necessary adjustments. That's all for this video. Thanks for your watching.